Okay, so welcome to my new video on structs. Go struct is a named collection of data fields, which can be of different types. So, for example, employees have attributes like name, age, date of birth, and salary. Okay, so in order to use a struct to represent such an employee, we declare a struct type. So let's jump into the IDE and see how struct looks like. I'm already in the IDE. We're going to create a new directory called structs or structure. I'm going to create a new Go file, call it main. And on top of the main function, I'm going to declare the struct function. And the struct comes with a keyword type, and then the name of the struct, and then the struct keyword itself, and then curly braces. So I'm going to call it employees, or let me call it employee singular. So every employee has a name, okay? So I'm going to call it name, and the name is of type string. Age is of type integer, and then date of birth is of type time, okay? And then salary is of type integer, or it could even be float, but let's make it an integer, okay? All right, so this is a struct. All right, so let's see how we can make use of, we can call our struct. So if we come inside the main function, we can call employee, and then after the employee, you see two curly braces, and we can now call the attributes of this employee, which is name. And name, we can call it Usain Bolt is our employee, comma. His age is 30, and his date of birth is time, then his year is, let's say, 1992. Example, I don't know his date of birth, but I'm just making things up. So month is, let's say, December, and then day is 12. Hour, minutes, we make all of them zeros. We have no idea. And then right, so this is his date of birth. And then his salary is, let's say, $200,000. $200,000. Okay, so after doing this, we can just make it EMP. All right, so we assign it to a variable called EMP. And we can now print EMP. All right, so if we print this, cd into cd back, and then cd into strat. So we say go run. So now you can see Usain Bolt, age is 30, his date of birth, I just made it up, and then his salary is 200,000. So now let's assume that we want to assess his age. What we can do is we say emp dot age. Okay, so as you can see, name as a string, age int, date of birth is time, and salary is an int. So we can access his age. If you want to access his salary, we can also do that. So let's print. Let's run this code. So as you can see, we grab his age and then his salary. All right, so assuming we want to multiply his salary by 10%, 0. So I don't want to cast this value. So we just want to increase his salary by 10. So so I can just, so his salary by 10 is what? $2 million. All right. So we can also maybe change his name. So let's see emp dot name. We want to assign Usain Fast Bolt. Okay, so if we print is emp dot name, let's see what we got. You see his new name is Usain Fast Bolt. All right. So what else can we do? Yeah, I think that is, we can change his so let me print emp itself and see if what changes. You see, the strat itself also changed because I changed his name, Usain Fast Bolt. All right. So I think that is all to declaring strat using Golang. If I find anything more interesting using strat, I'm going to do video about it. Yeah, so that is all for now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.